Hello and welcome to How to Bank. Today we are going to see various options available in SBI Online Banking. Go to www.onlinesbi.com. Make sure the status bar is shown green. This is a secure feature that you have reached the correct SBI website. You can also see the name of State Bank of India and identified by VeriSign. This shows the website is correct. After that, click on Login. Read the message and click on Continue to login. Input your username and password. To input the password, you can use virtual keyboard as an option. This is a good secure way of inputting the password and safer from hacking. Once you log in to Online SBI, after login, by default you will be taken to My Accounts tab, under which account summary page is displayed. This page shows the account number, the branch and options of available balance and click last transactions options are here. There are other tabs as well, like payments transfers, bill payments, inquiries, profile, e-fixed deposit, e-tax, e-services, e-cards and very useful Sitemap. We will see one by one all those tabs and options available in each one of them. To start with, under My Accounts, you have account summary and account statement. In account statement, you can generate account statement of your account for a particular date range if you select by date, or you can choose a month for which you want the statement. The statement by month option gives you a statement from first to the last day of the month. Other options available in this is you can view the statement, you can download in Excel format, or you can download in PDF as well. If you select view option, you can choose how many records per page you want to see. If there are any matured or closed accounts like fixed deposit or any loan account which is closed, the statements can be generated by clicking on this link. It will show you all the closed accounts and the statement can be generated for them as well. Next option is pending statement. If you have requested any statement to be sent and is not being delivered by bank, it will be shown in this option. Other option in the accounts tab is view income tax statement. Here, if you have any loan years deducted from your saving bank interest, it will be shown in form 26AS. Select the account you want to see the form and click on submit. Once you submit, it will show you your name, your PAN number, your address, PIN code, account number and customer number. After you confirm, it will take you to other website where your statement will be shown. After you click, it will take you to TDS website of government. Click on I agree to proceed and click on proceed. After that, click on view tax credit form under 26AS. Select your assessment year, which is typically 1 year ahead of your financial year. Click on type of form you want to see. At the bottom, your name will be displayed with the address, and click on view download. You can download it and save it for income tax purposes. Now let's check other options available on my account types. Next option is reprint challan. After the reprint challan option opens up, select the date on which you have paid any taxes and end date and click on go. If there are any challans paid, that will be shown here, and you can reprint the challan again. Other option available on my accounts is changing your login password. It is suggested that you change password every 90 days, and to change the password there are two ways to follow. One is generating one-time password, wherein SBI will send a one-time password on your mobile which you can input here to confirm. Other way is changing the login password using the profile password. Both ways are secure and can be used. If you have a PPF account linked to your main saving account, you can print e-receipt from My Accounts tab. Select the date range, say from April of the financial year until March of the financial year. 1st of April till 31st of March, and click on go. The end date should be lesser than or equal to current system date. Here you can click on the transaction and print the receipt. So these are various available options on My Accounts tab. Now we move to payments and transfers. On this tab, there are various funds transfer and other payment/receipt options available. First option is if you want to transfer within SBI to your own account. That is, if you have more than one account, you can transfer between these two accounts or multiple accounts using this option. If you want to transfer funds to another user who has a account with SBI, you can use account of others, which is also known as intra-bank beneficiary. If the transfer is to be done outside SBI, that is non-SBI accounts, then you can use option of interbank beneficiary, or if the payment is to be done to a credit card, Visa credit card, you can use credit card Visa beneficiary option. If you want to transfer funds using mobile number option, you can use IMPS funds transfer. Other payment options available are State Bank Collect, where fees of colleges, schools, charitable institutes who have account with State Bank can be done here. Then you have option of donation. You have option to top up your Bangalore Metro Rail card using the BMRCL card top up. You are using Western Union service, you can receive the money by using this option. Then you have donations, where you can donate to online and religion charitable institution. There are also options available for NRI transfer and Power Jyoti fee collection. You can also transfer funds to your national pension scheme or the new pension scheme. And the last option is demand draft can be requested using this option. There is a video we have uploaded on our How to Bank to explain how to request a demand draft online. Next tab available is bill payments. In this bill payment, if you have added any beneficiary, then you can pay the bill with using with bill option or without bill option. You can also schedule any bill, and if a bill is expired, then these options can be used to pay. Next is manage biller. Here you can add other billing companies for which you receive the bill physically or via email and you want to pay through online SBI. To add the beneficiary, to add the biller, you can click on add, select the biller, whether it is all India biller or for a particular state, and click on go. Here you can enter the name, consumer number, all other details and save. Next time when Torrent Power Limited issues a bill, you will get an alert. The option available under bill payments is payment history, where a payment made to any biller, a history can be seen. If you want to delete a biller history, this option can be selected using deleted biller history. If you have a life insurance with SBI Life, you can pay the premium using SBI Life Premium option under bill payments. This was various options available under bill payments. Now we go to Enquiries tab. On Enquiries tab, you have Find Transaction, Status Enquiry, Scheduled Transaction, Pension Slip, House Loan Interest, Transaction Limit / Charges, Home Loan Interest Certificate on Deposit Accounts, and Home Loan Interest Certificate. First one is Find Transactions. If you want to trace any transaction which has been done in the past, select the date range, start and end. Select the amount range and click on view. It will show transactions between that range. If there are no transactions, you will not see any results. Next is Status Enquiry. Status Enquiry is the status of any transaction done during a particular period. Like if you have transferred any funds to any party, you can click if the transaction is completed, whether it is rejected, and its status. Within Status Enquiry, you can also see credit card beneficiary detailed transactions. For example, if you have made any credit card Visa payment, you can select start and end date and click view. It will show you history of any payment done with the status of the transaction. Other option available under inquiries is scheduled transaction. If you want to regularly pay to one particular account, you can schedule the transfer, and all such scheduled transactions can be shown here. If you have a pension account with SBI, you can click on this option with selecting the year and the month with account number to generate a pension slip. Next option is housing loan interest. If you have housing loan account mapped into your account, you can see the interest of the housing loan and its certificate. Other option is transaction limit charges. Here it explains the charges for each transaction type and what is its limitation. This is a good way to check on what are the charges bank is charging you for your transaction. If you want to generate a provisional home loan certificate, this option can be used, provided you have your account mapped to the online SBI login. If you in the past have any fixed deposit open, you can get the interest certificate on these accounts using this option. Note that when there are certain options available, they are jumping to other tabs. I came back to inquiries and we continue with home loan interest certificate. Here again, you will get a certificate for the financial year which is completed for your home loan. Note that at any point of time, you can click on jump to go to any of your favorite option. Next tab available is profile. Under profile, you can change your personal details, For changing personal details, you will have to input the profile password. Remember that under profile, if you want to change anything, you will require your profile password. Other than personal details, you can also define a limit on each transaction like demand draft or transfer using define limit. You can manage your beneficiaries from profile tab. You can set your account nickname. You can have high security options enabled or disabled, that is one-time password, and the threshold of daily limit for all intrabank, interbank transactions using high security options. Under manage account display, if you have more than one account, you can hide or unhide the accounts to appear or not to appear on your my accounts tab. Here also you can change your passwords for a profile. You can activate any beneficiary added by visiting a branch. This can be done by clicking on this option and printing the document and taking it to your branch to verify. Other option available is State Bank Secure. This is a new product and still under testing, but you can opt for this secure option. If you have an IPO applied for, you can check the details on Manage IPO Applicant. These are the various options available under Profile. Now we go to e-fixed deposit tab. Under that, you can see various options. The first one is ETDR / ESTDR fixed deposit. Under this, you can open a fixed deposit with three types. One is fixed deposit, other is income tax savings scheme, and the last one is multi deposit option. Click on any type of fixed deposit you want to select and click on proceed. After that, you can input the details and open the account. You also have option of opening an ERD, that is recurring deposit, or e-flexi deposit. There is a e-annuity option for deposit available, which can be done between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. IST. You can open the annuity deposit account, select the account from where you want to pay the amounts, select input the amount, and if you are a senior citizen, click on senior citizen option, followed by select the years and clicking on accept. After that, click on proceed and you will be able to open the account. If there is a TDS deducted on any of your fixed deposit interest, you can click on these accounts, this option. You can raise a request by selecting whether it is a live account, or you can select if it is a closed account. Select the account for which you want to generate the certificate and click the financial year and click submit. After that, TDS deducted will be shown. Interest certificate for deposit accounts we have seen in My Accounts tab. Other option is Form 15G 15H. If for any reason you have a deposit for which PAN number was not given to the bank, you can use these options. So these are various options available under e-fixed deposit. Now we move to e-tax tab available on the online banking of SBI. Here you can pay state government taxes, indirect taxes, direct taxes. Income tax statement can be seen and reprint challan option can be used. This is the same option which was shown on My Accounts tab earlier. In case of state government taxes, you can select the state government and type of tax you want to pay and click on proceed. Similarly, for indirect taxes, you can click on indirect taxes tab and select if you want to pay indirect taxes online you can use this option, or for customs payment you can use this option. Under direct taxes, you will be directed to Government of India Income Tax website. If you click on that, you will be given various options to input your details like PAN number, name, address, financial year, etc. and click proceed. We have separate video for this, for how to pay your taxes. If you want to click on your income tax statement and view it, you can use view income tax statement option. Reprint challan is we have already checked under My Accounts tab. Now we move to e-services. There are various services offered by State Bank. Some of them are like standing instruction. You can issue standing instruction for funds transfer between your own account, for third party transfer and interbank transfer. If you want to cancel any existing fund transfer or standing instruction, you can click here. To register for SMS alerts, click on SMS alerts and select the account you want to enable SMS alerts and click on proceed. If you want to request a checkbook, click on the checkbook, select the account for which you want to request the checkbook. Select the how many check leaves you want in how many checks you want in the checkbook, whether you want bearer check or order check. Remember that multi-city checks issued on your request on this portal are chargeable as below. If you have issued any check and you want to stop this, you can use this option between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you want to cancel any earlier issued stop payment, you can revoke stop payment option between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you want to see how many times or which checks are being stopped so far, you can use this option to check. Input the start date and end date and click on submit. If you have any loan account, you can use closure of loan account by using this option. There is a forex trade available with SBI where you can do trading in foreign currencies. Click on SBI fix forex trade or FX trade option and further click proceed. It will direct you to SBI's forex trade page. If you want to open a new account with SBI, click on new account, select the account type you want to open, and after that it will take you to the relevant screen. If you have Demat and ABSA services, you can use these services from Demat and ABSA services tab. There is an app available known as a State Bank Freedom account, which can be used on your Android, your Windows, iPhone and BlackBerry devices. For that, you need to follow the steps mentioned on the screen. If you want to open a new PPF account with the bank, you can apply from new PPF account. Click on apply for PPF account. It will show the address of with the PAN number. Click on the branch code where you want to open, branch name, input the details, and you can later print this PPF application online form and go to the bank. If for any reasons you want to block your ATM card, like your ATM card is lost, you can come here and block the card. Upgrade access level is available for corporate banking. As of now, this option is not available for personal banking. These are the various options available on e-services. Other tab available is e-cards, where you can generate a virtual card using this option. You can define the limit, select the account and agree to the terms and conditions and click generate. This will generate a virtual card which is valid only for 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, and after that any unused amount is credited back to your account. This is a good way to keep your credit cards secure and if you want to do shopping online. Other options is topping up your Bangalore Metro Rail card. This we have seen in payments and transfers. If you want to gift a card to your friends or your family for as a gift, you can use gift card option. You can create it, you can top it up, and this will be sent to your mailing address or the address you choose of the beneficiary. Credit card, Visa, bill pay is you can pay or you can transfer to any credit card. For that you have to add a credit card Visa beneficiary. Other option available under e-cards is smart payout cards. These are prepaid cards issued by branch to the account holder or to other account holders, non-account holders who can use it for daily needs. This is a good option to extend the banking to rural and blue collar working force where they cannot have the bank account but can still use. You can top up your card by using this option, or you can register as well. Last option is Sitemap. Under the Sitemap, all the options available on online SBI site can be seen. This is good way to jump to any service as all the tabs available are consolidated and shown as in one page. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. We continue to create new videos related to banking and upload. This is a summary of various options available on online banking of SBI. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe and share our channel with your friends and colleagues.